Hi, what we have here today is a 1967 250 BSA Starfire. I've recently purchased a bike and done some cosmetic things to it, mechanical things. The previous owner had done a lot of work to the bike. It's very original. It's been repainted to the original colors and decals. I have a brand new gas cap ordered. Paint job's a few years old, a couple little nicks on it, a couple bubbles over on the other side. It is a fiberglass tank. Side covers and decals are very nice. This bike's very original. A lot of new parts, new levers, all new cables, new controls. The hand grips look fairly new. The headlight has some pitting to it. All the lights work. I've recently replaced the fork seals and fork oil. The front has the period correct Avon brand new tire, tube. Front wheel is brand new, along with the, it's been laced up with stainless steel spokes. Working our way back, the back tire also is a new tire and tube. It's a Dunlop period correct. Working our way back, a very original bike. AMO carburetor, brand new air cleaner, original handrail, nice seat. The rear rim is very nice. It has a little bit of rust on it. There was a spot where it was actually peeling the chrome. The original tire, as I mentioned, Dunlop, brand new. The muffler is not that nice. It's not rusted out, but the chrome is poor on it. Original foot pegs, buddy pegs, all new rubber on the Kickstarter, and the foot pegs are all brand new rubbers, recent. As I mentioned, the carburetor has been just recently gone through. The valves have been adjusted, points and condensers been changed, the carburetor's been tuned. This bike, as you'll see in the startup video, sits and idles very nicely, runs well, accelerates easily. And that's pretty much sums it up. The bike's a very nice bike, presents well, and it runs good. Hello, we're going to take the 1967 BSA 250 Starfire for a ride. And we're going to start it up on a cold start, show you how she starts. You can come over here. Gas on, straight down. You can see she's cold. And then tickle the carburetor until some gas comes out. Here we are. And then over here's the key. I'll turn it on. And then I just stand beside the bike and start easy. It'll idle real nice too in a moment. There it is, idling. Could probably be set up a little bit, but it's in an idle right now. I'm going to take it for a drive.